In today's video, we are going to talk about hidden features of your PC you didn't know. We will go through the process of explaining them and their functions. First, we are going to talk about one that some people do know: Snip and Sketch tool. It is an upgraded version of the snipping tool for taking screenshots with more editing features. After taking a snip, it will automatically open in the Snip and Sketch window, where you can annotate the image using various tools: pen, highlighter, etc. You can save the annotated image, copy it to the clipboard, or share it directly. You can delay the capture by 3 or 10 seconds if you need time to set up your screen. Basic editing tools like cropping, rotation, and adjustments are available within the app. A couple ways you can access this tool are: press the Windows key plus Shift plus S key to quickly take a screenshot, which can then be edited or shared. Also by typing Snip and Sketch into the search bar and select it from the results. It's a versatile tool for quick screenshot needs and basic image editing directly within Windows. Hidden context menu in File Explorer. A more advanced context menu with additional options. Press the Shift key and right-click on a file or folder in File Explorer to see more options, such as Open Command Window here. Or simply press Shift key plus F10 after right-clicking. This will bring up the classic context menu with all the options that were available in previous versions of Windows. Microsoft streamlined the context menu in Windows 11 to reduce clutter and make common actions easier to find. However, they included the Show More Options feature to maintain access to all the previous functionalities for users who need them. Sandbox mode, Windows 10 11 Pro. A lightweight virtual machine environment to test software or run potentially dangerous files without risking your main system. Type Windows Features in the search bar, open the Windows Features dialog, and enable Windows Sandbox. After a restart, you'll have access to it. You can drag and drop files or install applications inside the sandbox. These will run as they would on your main system, but are contained within the sandbox environment. Use this to test unknown software, open suspicious files, or visit potentially unsafe websites. When you're done, simply close the sandbox window. Everything inside will be discarded, and the environment will reset the next time you open it. Since Windows Sandbox is virtualized, it may consume significant system resources, especially on lower-end hardware. While Windows Sandbox is very secure, it has some limitations compared to full virtual machines, such as limited customization options and no ability to save the sandbox state. Windows Sandbox is a convenient and safe way to test software or files without risking your main system. Dynamic lock. Automatically locks your PC when you move away from it, using a paired Bluetooth device, like your phone. How to enable. Go to Settings, Accounts, Sign In Options, and under Dynamic Lock, check Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both your PC and your smartphone. Go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth and Other Devices. Click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device and follow the instructions to pair your smartphone with your PC. The lock will activate when your device moves out of the effective Bluetooth range, typically around 30 feet, 10 meters, depending on the environment. Dynamic lock is a convenience feature, but you can always manually lock your PC by pressing Windows key plus L when leaving your desk. If dynamic lock isn't working as expected, ensure that your Bluetooth drivers are up to date and that your phone stays connected to your PC. Also, check that the phone isn't turning off Bluetooth to save power. Dynamic lock is a simple and effective way to enhance the security of your PC, especially if you often step away and forget to lock your screen manually. Storage Sense is a feature in Windows 10 and Windows 11 designed to help you automatically free up disk space by managing and deleting unnecessary files, such as temporary files, system cache, and items in the recycle bin. It's a handy tool to keep your system running smoothly without requiring manual intervention. You can customize how Storage Sense works, including how often it runs, what types of files it cleans up, and how long files are retained before being deleted. Go to Settings, System Storage, and turn on Storage Sense by toggling the switch. Click on Configure Storage Sense or run it now under the Storage Sense toggle. You can set Storage Sense to run automatically when your disk space is low, daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose when to delete temporary files and files that have been in the Recycle bin or Downloads folder for a certain number of days. Storage Sense is a useful feature for maintaining disk space and ensuring your system stays clean and efficient with minimal manual effort. Virtual desktops, a feature in Windows 10 and Windows 11 that allows you to create multiple desktops to organize your open applications in Windows. It's particularly useful for multitasking, as it helps you separate workspaces and reduce clutter on your main desktop. Press Windows key plus Tab key, then click on New Desktop at the top. You can switch between them using Windows key plus Control key plus left-right arrow keys. Press Windows key plus Tab key to open up Task View. Drag the window you want to move to another desktop and drop it onto the desired desktop at the top of the screen. Alternatively, you can right-click on the window and choose Move to, the desktop's name. Virtual desktops are a powerful tool for enhancing productivity and keeping your workspace organized, especially when juggling multiple tasks or projects. Nightlight mode is a feature in Windows 10 and Windows 11 designed to reduce the amount of blue light emitted by your screen, making it easier on your eyes, especially in the evening or at night. Blue light can interfere with your sleep by tricking your brain into thinking it's still daytime, so using nightlight can help improve sleep quality by minimizing this effect. How to enable and configure nightlight? Go to Settings. System Display. Under the Brightness and Color section, toggle the night light switch to turn it on. Click on Night Light settings below the toggle switch. Use the slider under Strength to adjust how warm the color temperature should be. Moving the slider to the left makes the screen cooler, while moving it to the right makes it warmer. You can choose sunset to sunrise to have night light automatically adjust based on your location's sunset and sunrise times. Alternatively, select Set Hours to specify your preferred start and end times. Nightlight is a simple yet effective tool to enhance your screen viewing experience, particularly in the evening or at night, by reducing the potential negative effects of blue light. Windows Clipboard History is a feature in Windows 10 and Windows 11 that allows you to keep track of multiple items that you've copied to the clipboard, such as text, images, and links. Instead of just storing the last item you copied, Clipboard History can store multiple items and let you paste any of them as needed. To enable and use Clipboard History, go to Settings, System, Clipboard, or press the Windows key plus V key. Clipboard History can store up to 25 items, including text, HTML, and images less than 4 MB each. Larger items or items older than your last 25 will automatically be removed. You can pin frequently used items to the clipboard history so they won't get deleted when the history reaches its limit. Use Clipboard History for quickly accessing and pasting multiple pieces of information without having to repeatedly copy and paste. Windows Clipboard History is a valuable tool for improving productivity, making it easier to manage and access copied items, and providing a seamless experience across devices. Power CFG command. This command is a powerful utility in Windows that allows you to manage and configure various power settings and options from the command line. It's especially useful for advanced users who want to customize power plans, troubleshoot power-related issues, or generate detailed power reports. Open Command Prompt as an admin from the search bar and type Power CFG list or Power CFG L. It will list all available power plans on the system, including the active one. You can also type Power CFG help, and it will list all the Power CFG commands and explain what they do. The Power CFG command is an essential tool for power users who want precise control over their system's power management settings and can be a lifesaver for troubleshooting and optimizing power usage. Resource Monitor is a built-in tool in Windows that provides detailed real-time information about your system's resource usage, including CPU, memory, disk, and network. It's more advanced than Task Manager and is useful for troubleshooting performance issues, monitoring system activity, and understanding resource consumption. Type Resource Monitor in the Start menu search bar and select it from the results. Resource Monitor is a powerful tool for users who need deeper insights into their system's performance and resource usage, offering the ability to diagnose and troubleshoot performance issues in real time. Windows Keyboard Shortcuts. Windows keyboard shortcuts are combinations of keys that provide quick access to common functions and commands, helping you navigate and control your computer more efficiently. Here's a comprehensive list of some of the most useful Windows keyboard shortcuts. Lastly, God Mode in Windows is a hidden feature that provides quick access to a vast array of settings and administrative tools all in one place. It essentially creates a folder that contains shortcuts to all of the system's control panels and configuration settings. This can be particularly useful for power users or IT professionals who need to manage various system settings frequently. How to enable God Mode. Right-click on your desktop or in any directory where you want the God Mode folder to appear and select New Folder. Rename the folder with the following text exactly once saved. The folder icon will change to look like a control panel. Double-click the new folder to open it. You'll see a list of all available settings, grouped into categories. God Mode is a useful tool for anyone who wants quick, centralized access to Windows' vast array of system settings and controls. And that's going to end our video. Hopefully it helped you out. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you.